About this item: 5pack 6ft USB 2.0 cable, super fast charging time, conforming to the USB Type-C specification version 1.1, 56 kOhm, standard identification, which ensures a safe charging at 3.0 A maximum. No damage to your legacy USB hub, perfect 6 feet long cord, enjoying the data sync and charge anywhere and anytime. Durable nylon braided cord. The cable has a durable nylon braided design with premium aluminum housing and sturdy nylon fiber cover adds premium durability to the cable, which makes it easily survive everyday usage and gives it a more stylish and elegant appearance that goes great with your expensive gadgets. The adherence to USB-C specifications ensures 2.4A 3.0A safe charging, pull-up resistor, 56K, and safety of your gadgets. Durable and extended in experience. Sturdy construction has connectors with molded strain relief for frequent unplugging and durability. Robust USB Type-C connector clicks into place for a snug and secure connection. Superb backup charging, compatible with any charging adapter, multi-port charging station or power bank. The perfect substitute for your missing charging cable. Charge your new MacBook, Chromebook, Pixel, or other USB-C devices via any phone charger, portable charger, or multi-port USB charger. Compatible with all USB-C devices: Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, LG G6, G5, LG V20, new MacBook, OnePlus 2, Google Nexus 5X, Nexus 6P, Google Pixel, new Nokia N1 tablet, Lumia 950, Lumia 950 XL, Chromebook, Google Pixel, Asus Zen AI.